Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open Files application, so you can transfer photos, videos, audios, documents, APKs or archives. So let's transfer some image. For example, let's transfer this one. So you just hold your finger on it, then select if you want to copy or if you want to move it. Select move, then go to SD card, and now you can select any folder where you want to copy this picture. So let's copy it to pictures. I moved it actually, I didn't copy it, okay. And now let's go to the SD card, pictures folder, and here I have this photo. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.